Fallon Solutions is South East Queensland's leading provider for trade services, trusted by over 50,000 families each year. We can help with almost any electrical, plumbing, air conditioning, appliance repair or carpentry task. Our reputation is built on over 50 years of expert service, so you can be sure that the quality of workmanship is second to none. Our well-trained and efficient service centre staff will make sure that we get the right tradesperson to your home at a time that suits you. Before our tradespeople arrive at your home, they will call you to confirm their arrival time, so you know they're on their way. They will treat you and your home with courtesy and respect, wearing boot covers and always cleaning up after the job is complete. We offer a complimentary home safety inspection on every job to make sure your assets are protected. Our honest, upfront pricing ensures that you pay a fixed price, meaning no surprises or hidden charges. And our Home Protection Plan members receive free annual inspections and discounts on services and repairs. With our 24/7 emergency plumbing and electrical services, we can be there for you when you need us the most. We have been South East Queensland's trusted trade service company for more than 50 years, and with your continued support, we will be here for your home and your family for another 50. Fallon Solutions. One call fixes it all.